In this video, I will tell you how to remove skin tags in one night. The skin tag is the small growth of the skin which is usually around the neck, eyes and underarms. Likewise, it is not necessary to visit the doctor for the treatment of the skin tags. The skin tags is mainly smooth and they vary in the sizes. Likewise, they are composed of the blood vessels and the collagen fiber which is surrounded by the skin. Still, there is not exact reason for the skin tags, but the doctors have believed that it has something to do with the friction with the skin. If you choose to remove a skin tag, it's possible to do so with products which are available in your kitchen. But don't worry, you can simply use the home remedies for getting rid of the skin tag. Home remedies are very effective and don't have any side effects as well. Before I start the video, make sure to subscribe my YouTube channel for more informative content. Here we have a very effective remedy to remove skin tag in one night. So, the first ingredient we are using is apple cider vinegar. People have been using vinegar as a natural remedy for centuries. Its acidic properties are thought to protect against infection, sterilize wounds, and preserve food. More recently, apple cider vinegar has become the vinegar of choice for everything from treating colds for promoting weight loss. We add 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar in a bowl. The second ingredient we are using is witch hazel. Witch hazel acts as an astringent to help shrink your pores, smooth your skin, and reduce inflammation. Witch hazel is rich in tannins, a natural plant compound with powerful antioxidant properties that can help protect your skin against damage. When applied topically, witch hazel may help reduce skin redness and provide relief to irritation and sensitive skin. Now we will add 1 teaspoon of hazel witch in apple cider vinegar. Then we are using our last ingredient, which is baking soda. This is because baking soda has the capacity to naturally alter our skin's pH levels and inhibit the growth of skin tags causing bacteria. Additionally, using a mixture of baking soda and castor oil helps in elimination various other skin problems as well. Last, we will be adding 2 tablespoons of baking soda in a mixture. Then, we will mix all our ingredients together. And apply to our skin. This remedy will give you amazing results and make your skin free of skin tags. Do give it a try if you are also suffering from skin tags. You will notice remarkable results after first use. Hope you liked this video. For more amazing content, like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and also let me know the result by commenting on my videos. Thank you.